Yep, there it is. GPW. Obviously, it's been recored, okay, and I believe it's a 3-core. That's what I see. So we know it's a GPW, definitely 1943 area-ish, and sometime in 43 and after, they didn't use GPW marked, so this must be early. What we're going to do is see if we can get that solder off of there and expose the F, because, yeah, that's cool. To be quite honest with you, I'm turning into that guy, you know. The discovery of these little freaking marks, man, are like, yeah, that part's fun. So I'm going to set the camera up. We're going to slap a little propane on there and see if we can wipe away that solder and expose the truth, because I'm all about the truth. Okay, let's go for it. Sorry about the camera movement, but we can see the F script. That's awesome. I gotta figure out how we're gonna get that off the rest of the way. I'm using like a 4-aught steel wool, trying to apply the pressure around the letters. That's exciting. Okay, there's the impression. Pretty pumped about it. Got any recommendations on how to get that slight solder off of there without doing too much damage to the embossment? Let me know.